continue with my message that the Senate must always remain independent. And due to my strict adherence of the Senate remaining independent, maybe that could be the cause of my demise. Sabi ko nga nung sa hearing ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, maraming nagalit sa akin sa dalawang panig dahil nga ako po'y naging patas sa dalawang panig at siguro maraming nagalit sa akin dahil dyan. Pero ginawa ko lang pong tungkulin ko bilang Senate President, which is to always keep the committee system strong and independent from any outside forces to dictate what should or should not be tackled in the committee system. So, I'm sorry if may mga ruffled feathers at may nagalit sa akin, pero ganun talaga ako. You may call me a Boy Scout, but I'm happy to oblige all the other members of the Senate that have passed before us. The likes of Joco Arroyo, Miriam Defensor Santiago, of course, those who also already retired, like Senator Frank Dillon, Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, kung saan talagang stickler for rules of the Senate, independence of the Senate, that the Senate remains the last bastion of democracy in our country. So I pray and hope that our dear Senate President Escudero, will uphold these ideals of the Senate that we fought for many generations. I'd like to also congratulate Senate President Francis Escudero for his ascension to the Senate presidency. We will take a critical collaboration when it comes to measures that are needed by our country. So, as I said earlier, I had resigned as my post for Senate President. I am an independent member of the Senate now. Mas maganda po yan para mananatili po tayo independente at mananatili po tayong patas sa lahat ng grupo. I also like to thank my team that also resigned with me, Senator Nancy Binay, Senator Joel Villanueva, my majority floor leader, Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senator Lauren Legarda, and Senator Sani Angara. And napasalamat din ako kay Senator Bato de la Rosa dahil ang balita ko talagang hindi po siya pumirma at nanatili po siyang kasama ko sa pinakahuli. So, yun lamang po. I'll take questions from the group. Thank you.
Whose instructions did you not follow? Whose feathers did you ruffle?
I'm only presuming that is the cause because maraming nagsabi sa akin, alam mo, tigil mo ng mga hearings, ganito, ganyan, para mahirap na magsalita. Ang sa akin lang is, I must have ruffled my feathers. I'm sorry, I must have ruffled other people's feathers from my independent stance of the Senate. At hindi natigil yun hindi na natigil yun. Nung sa PI pa lang, sa People's Initiative pa lang, nung hindi po tayo sumang-ayon sa People's Initiative, dyan po na nag-umpisa Hindi tayo sumang-ayon sa kanilang timelines, sa charter change. Dyan ko din naramdaman na medyo may mga sama ng loob. At mahirap dahil ang akin naman ay gusto ko lang po manatili ang independensya ng ating institusyon ng Senado. So, I saw it coming and as a matter of fact, I even said to my staff na parang by 2025, ayoko na maging Senate President sa totoo lang. Pero napaaga po ang pag-resign ko po bilang Senate President. I have more time with my family, I have more time for my health. Alam niyo naman, kinumplain ko yan sa inyo dati na tumaas lahat ng blood works ko. Sabi ko, napakagrabing stress, napakatindi ng pressure. So I hope that this new leadership does not succumb to pressure. Only time will tell. Di ba makikita natin sa galaw ng ating mga kasamahan.
SPD, yes. Dahalong Malacanang, the President directly.
I don't want to anymore rain on the parade of Senate President Escudero. So I guess maybe other members of the Senate can answer that. Ang akin lang dyan, I did my job and I did it well. I am proud to keep my head up high. Wala po tayong mga scandals na nangyari noong panahon natin, and I'm very happy for that. I am so happy that I have been able to render these years of service sa ating mga kababayan.
Kailan nyo nalaman?
Nung Wednesday, nalaman ko may kinakausap po sila, nagkikita-kita po, nag-uusap-usap po sila ang kabilang grupo. And yun, nag-umpisa na po. So, nagbabantayan po kami nung weekend, and medyo masama ang loob ko dahil meron pa mga nagte-text sa akin, "We're with you, full support po kami. Kami po ay, opo, 100% sa iyo." Wala pang isang araw, wala ang hirap talaga maging politiko. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang hirap maging politiko. Kaya ako ituwan-tuwa sa mga naiwan sa akin. Alam mo, 2 test of character yan. Alam nyo mga kapatid, ako napakasimple lang ako na tao. Napaka-transparent po ako. Mahalaga sa akin yung reputasyon ko, kaya nag-resign ako noong 2011, di ba? Ayokong umikot sa mall na may nagsasabi na mandaraya ako. Kaya nag-resign po ako sa posisyon ko bilang senador, at ang sinabi ko, wala naman po tayong kasalanan dun sa sitwasyon na yun noong 2007, at parang malaking dagok, malaking tinik po ang tinatanggal po sa aking likod dahil gusto ko pong manatiling respetado sa mata ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya sa akin, hindi ko magagawa yan eh. Hindi ko magagawa yan. Ako, at least, isang salita man na, at least isang salita po ako pagdating sa commitment ko sa bayan, sa aking mga kasamahan. So in a way, I just felt heartbroken. I felt heartbroken not because of the position. Ano tayo eh, 3 beses na ako naging majority floor leader, tinanggal na rin ako maging majority floor leader. Hindi sa position, I'm not heartbroken because of the position. I'm heartbroken because of those who committed to be steadfast with us. We had the same ideals, and all of a sudden, hindi po, biglang nawala po. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, no? Heartbroken. Heartbroken. Yes. 7 yata yun eh. Sama si Senator Gatchalian, 7. Sama si Senator Gatchalian. Senator Bato, you know.
Would you consider this a hearing on Pidea Leaks as one of the delaying factors while you were compelled or you offered to resign? Meron bang mga pressure? Kasi considering na the president is being implicated.
So kaya nag-stick sa'yo si Senator Bato? Kasi yung hearing niya.
Your guess is as good as mine. I don't want to say it, pero ganun talaga. Ako, I've been very loyal to our president. And in fairness, we've tried to give him good counsel. Kung sa PI, sinabihan ko po siya na masama po ito para sa ating bansa. Umpisa po ito ng kaguluhan. Di ko alam kung nakinig po siya sa akin o hindi. Ang akin lamang po dyan ay I try to give him good advice. Hindi yung rara-ra na ang galing mo, ikaw ang the best. Hindi tayo ganyan eh. We're always trying to give good advice, not only to him, but to everyone else in the cabinet. And I think they know that. So, ang akin, if that's the consequence of, this is a consequence of my being independent, fighting for the institution, then so be it. I'm happy to step down as a independent member of this institution who maintain the traditions and the rules of this institution till the very end. We will discuss this tonight. Yeah, we're pag-usapan pa namin ngayong gabi.
Sir, did you try to stick dun sa grupo na nag-unseat sa inyo yung grupo ni Senator Cheese?
Hindi naman sila, hindi sila nakipag-usap sa amin. Hindi po sila nakipag-usap sa amin. But yung nakipag-usap sa akin, yung nag-trade-door sa akin, yung full support, ngayon, no support. Hindi na. Bahala na sila dyan. Pero okay lang yun. Okay na yun. I don't want to rain again the parade. I don't want to rain on the parade of Senator Chis Escudero, our Senate President. He is a very capable leader, napaka-intelihente, napakagaling na abogado. And so, we just leave it at that. And kasama ko siya since 1998. Of course, we just hope and pray, and I appeal to him that he continues to adhere to the rules and traditions of the Senate. Huwag po siya alam mo, marami kasi mga bagong senador eh. Ang daming hinihingi mga concessions na pwede bang excuse na lang ganito, pwede bang ganito lang, pwede bang we have to, if we do that, then mawawala po ang relevance ng Senado. We have to stick to the rules and traditions of the Senate and respect this. Ang dami ng senador na matay na hanggang kamatayan nila, ito po ang panindigan nila. As last bastion of democracy, this institution must remain steadfast.
Sir, ano yung procedure? Di ba yung dapat nagkaroon na din ng papalitan lahat ng chairmanship ng committee? Or
Hindi naman, siguro yung, unless may mga interesado, yung labing apat, 15 nila, I think kung happy na sila sa mga committees nila, hindi na po matatanggalan yan. Yung mga choice committees ng grupo namin, syempre makukuha ng grupo nila yan. I think their majority leader will be Tol Tolentino, so I wish him luck. I hope that he studies. Alam mo, medyo matindi ang trabaho ng majority floor leader. Siya po ay re-electionist. At yun, nakakagulat lang yung mga ibang kasama ni Senator Bato ay
Have you received, during your presidency, have you received reports coming from the palace? Kasi, di ba, sinabi mo kanina, medyo parang may mga sunod-sunuran ba? Na gusto yata maging sunod-sunuran kayo?
well, yung nga, alam mo naman, nag-umpisa nga yan, sabi ko nga, nag-umpisa yan ng People's Initiative. Ang gusto po nila ay sumunod na lang po ang Senado. At hindi po kami papayag nun. For one shining moment, the Senate was united in our stand against People's Initiative. But after that, the attacks began. So, alam niyo naman yun. Pangalawang co-attempt na to sa akin. So, mahirap ang trabaho maging Senate President. Thank you.
Any regret?
No regrets. I have no regrets. I am proud. Alam mo yung text messages ko na yun, napakaganda. I just like to read the message of I just like to make special mention yung binigay na mensahe sa akin. It means a lot to me. Mayor Benji Magalong, tinext niya ako. Good afternoon, Senate President Zubiri. I was saddened by today's turn of events. You have served as Senate President with honor and dignity that they cannot take away from you. You'll always have my utmost respect. Warmest regards, Mayor Benjamin Magalong. So, ganda, di ba? Yung nakakataba ng puso. I'm still a senator, guys. I'm not saying goodbye. I'm not resigning from my position as senator. I'll see you guys tomorrow and the next day. I have more time with you guys. Pwede tayong kumain and whatever role that we take, our group, front and center po kayong lahat. You'll know what will happen.
how many senators does the other group?
I don't know. 14 sila. Kasi 7 kami plus 2 in the minority, 9. 8 sinong 8? Ano?
Sino yung nine?
Yung kasama ko si Senator JV, myself, Senator Nancy, Senator Lauren, Senator Joel, Senator Sherwin, Senator Bato. 7. Sensani, steadfast sa atin. 8 plus 2 minority. So, 14 sila.
Sir, what would this impact on the ongoing Chacha hearing?
Wala na. Goodbye, Chacha.
Ano po? Kasi,
Nag-resign na si Sunny Escudero. Si Sunny Angara. Nag-resign na po siya.
sir, paano yung
Wala na. We had to cancel, or it's all canceled. Alam niyo naman si Senator Escudero, anti-Chacha. So, di ba? Openly is anti-Chacha. So, I hope the people that supported him know that.
Yun nga sir, di ba? Parang if ever.
Strange bedfellows. I always say this is strange bedfellows, di ba? So, okay lang.
How about yung
As far as we're concerned, the Chacha this week is dead. We don't have any Chacha hearings.
Hindi si
Yung mga
Senator
priority.
Bato, mawawalan din ng committee niya doon sa dangerous. Wala na si Morales.
I'm sure Senator Bato de la Rosa will be taken out of his committee. I presume, no? Because isa sa mga punot dulo nitong nangyari ito.
yung ano po, SP, yung mga priority bills, yung mga priority bills.
Well, ang dami. Alam mo, kaya nga request ko sa kanila ganito. Nag-request ko kasi ang gusto po nila, pag start ng session, change leadership kagad. Ang request ko lang sa kanila, guys, can at least preside bago magkagulo-gulo, can at least preside sa third reading approval of these measures. Para my last act as Senate President ay nagtatrabaho pa rin ako. So we did it, and we thank the new leadership for allowing me to preside in the approval of these like AFASA, amendments to the tax code, I think. Oh. So at least I left working, ladies and gentlemen. We were able to pass these measures.
Nung nag-thank you ka kay Senator Bato, naiyak siya. Diba? Saan talaga siya emotional? O nagkausap kayo about this change of leadership?
I told him, saludo ako sa kanya. He stood by me. And I told him, pare, may panindigan ka. You are a man of principle. Hindi siya takot, hindi siya natatakot. At saludo ako sa kanya. Saludo talaga ako kay Senator Bato. I hope he wins again for Senator. I will campaign for him actively. I will campaign for him actively in Mindanao to maximize his vote.
Basically, yung kanyang hearing yung isa sa mga factor that basically
Could- Most possibly, one of those that broke the camel's back, ika nga, aside from charter change timeline, aside from PI, aside from many other things. So,
nag-reach out ka pa, nung narinig mo na may panibago na namang attempt to unseat you, nag-reach out ka dun sa ibang members ng Senate?
yes, absolutely. Kaya nga may mga text message ako, full support. Next day, pasensya na lang, pare. Para nga nabigo ng girlfriend mo, no? Boyfriend mo. I love you, joke lang. I love you, joke pala. Well, just a simple committee. Hindi po ako hingi na. I will not ask for any big committees. Just give me a small committee. I don't mind getting back to committee on cooperatives, which has been my committee from the very beginning. Wala po ako hinihingi malaking committee. Pagod na rin ako. I just want to help on these measures and help keep the institution independent. You know? Yes. Well, may meeting nga kami tonight with the team. What our options will be.
Ilan na yun, sir? 10?
Before the break, for sure.
Ilan na yun?
Imagine kung nag-minority kami, di 10 yung minority.
Yeah, oo nga.
Tsaka dapat nandun lahat sa floor. Di pwedeng tamad-tamaran. Alam mo, I am proud of my team because number one, this is the hardest working team. The last man to leave the floor is Senator JV, Senator Sonny, Senator Joel, ako at si Lauren. Kami palagi, at Senator Sherwin, kami palagi na iiwan. Hindi kami check attendance, alis. Oo. Kayo ng media kasi araw-araw dito naman kayo, nakikita nyo naman, no? Hindi ko naman babanggitin yun. Ang akin lang is, I hope we have the biggest, the most hardworking team. So I think it will be a big loss for legislation, but I'm hoping that my colleagues will step up. The 14 will step up. We'll be watching. Thank you, guys. Mabuhay kayo. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.